Hello, my children. Yesterday, I discussed about notice, that what is the importance of notice and what should be the format of a notice. Now I am going to teach you that how we will write a notice. You see here, the tree plantation day, quote unquote, is going to observe in your school. Write a notice as the Secretary of the School Welfare Committee for participation of students. So, you are the Secretary of School Welfare Committee. You have to write a notice that your school is going to observe tree plantation day and all the students should come on that very day and they should be active on that very day. That thing you have to write. Now you see that at first yesterday I told you that at first you have to make a box. That's clear to you, no? Then the name of your school, that is also here. Suppose Heritage Model School. Then the notice in the capital letter. Then the date without any comma. And then the heading or the caption, no? What is the heading here? That is the tree plantation day. Next, what you have to write here? You see, all the students are hereby informed that our school is going to observe tree plantation day on 25th July, 2020. We are well aware of the importance of tree plantation to protect our environment from pollution. Hence, students are requested to reach the school premises by 9:30 am and take part actively in the program. Then your sign, that is your signature, then your full name, and then the designation that you are the secretary of the school welfare committee. Okay? Now you come here again. That the beginning you should write that thing, but you should write in this way that all the students are hereby informed that our school is going to observe tree plantation day on 25th July, 2020. We are well aware of the importance of tree plantation to protect our environment from pollution. Full stop. Hence, students are requested to reach the school premises by 9:30 am and take part actively in the program. I think you know the meaning. All the students are hereby informed that our school is going to observe tree plantation day on 25th July 2020. This is the structure. It should be the structure of a notice that all the students are hereby informed that. Normally, most of the part, if the topic is like that, then you can write in this way. Okay? Then our program is going to observe, the name of the program is Tree Plantation Day, and that will be held on 25th July 2020. We are well aware of the importance of the tree plantation to protect our environment from pollution. Actually, everybody we know that tree plantation, that is afforestation, that is very much important in our society, in our environment, because our environment is full of pollution, and if we observe this thing, the tree plantation day, definitely our environment will be fine, greeny environment, far away from pollution. So it is very necessary. Okay. Hence, students are requested to reach the school premises by 9:30 am. So all the students are requested, please you will come in the school premises by 9:30 am and take part actively in the program, and you will also participate in this program actively. Okay, then your signature, name and this thing. So you read it again and again, and if any problem arise, then definitely I am always with you. You take care. That's all. Bye.